Hey everyone, welcome back to another exciting video from Ocean Interaction, your go-to channel for all things games and game development. Today, we have something incredibly exciting to talk about. If you're passionate about creating stunning video games and diving into the world of Unreal Engine, you've come to the right place. We're going to explore the best Unreal Engine courses online and certification programs in 2023. The first course in our list is Unreal Engine 5 C++ Developer, Learn C++ and Make Video Games from Udemy. This Unreal Engine for Beginner course on Udemy is a comprehensive and beginner-friendly course designed to introduce learners to the fundamentals of Unreal Engine 4, UE4. UE4 is a powerful game development engine widely used in the industry to create high-quality games across various platforms. The second one is C++ Programming for Unreal Game Development Specialization from Coursera. The Unreal Game Development course on Coursera is a comprehensive and in-depth learning program designed to teach learners the essentials of C++ programming and its application in game development using the Unreal Engine. This specialization offers a structured pathway to becoming proficient in C++ game development with Unreal Engine. The third course is Unreal Engine 5, the Complete Beginners course from Udemy. The Unreal Engine 5 Complete Beginner course on Udemy is a comprehensive and beginner-friendly course designed to introduce learners to the fundamentals of game development using Unreal Engine 5, UE5. UE5 is a cutting-edge game engine that offers enhanced visuals, powerful tools, and improved workflows for creating immersive and realistic games. The fourth one is Unreal C++ Multiplayer Master, Intermediate Game Development from Udemy. The Unreal Multiplayer Game Development course on Udemy is an extensive and comprehensive course that focuses on creating multiplayer games using the Unreal Engine. With a strong emphasis on online gameplay, this course is designed to equip learners with the necessary knowledge and skills to develop immersive and engaging multiplayer experiences. The fifth course in our list is Unreal Engine 4 Mastery, Create Multiplayer Games with C++ from Udemy. The Unreal Engine C++ Developer course on Udemy offers a comprehensive and in-depth learning experience for individuals who want to master C++ programming for game development using the Unreal Engine. This course provides a solid foundation in C++ and guides learners through the process of creating video games using Unreal Engine's powerful features. The sixth one is Complete Blender Creator, Learn 3D Modeling for Beginners from Udemy. The Blender tutorial course on Udemy is a comprehensive and beginner-friendly course designed to teach learners the essential skills and techniques needed to create stunning 3D models, animations, and visual effects using Blender. Blender is a powerful open-source software widely used in the industry for 3D modeling, animation, and rendering. Last but not the least, the seventh course is Online Unreal Engine courses from Domestika. These online Unreal Engine courses on Domestika are a practical online resource designed to teach learners the fundamentals of Unreal Engine and its application in creating interactive and immersive experiences. Unreal Engine is a powerful real-time 3D creation tool widely used in game development, virtual reality, architectural visualization, and more. So, there you have it, our top Unreal Engine courses and certification programs in 2023. Whether you're a beginner looking to start your game development journey or an experienced developer aiming to master your skills, there's a course for you. Don't forget to check out the links in the video description to explore these courses further. And of course, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for all the latest gaming news and updates. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy game development!